Now, after discussing the exponents module, we'll now move on to the factorization module. Exactly as I introduced the exponents module and I gave you a basic rundown of what our course of action would be, now we're at the stage where we can discuss factorization, and then we will go back to the beginning and re-explain all of the different sections. Right, so that's basically how we are going to look at maths, because we cannot discuss these sections because they link to factorization. There's specific topics in fractions and specific topics in algebraic expressions that we will utilize factorization in. Okay, so that's basically that. But however, factorization, we cannot only discuss factorization, we have to discuss products first. So you need to understand products before you can understand factorization. Products is a very straightforward idea. Exactly as I said, that when you're given terms that have variables and numbers, you will utilize the SNV rule, sign number variable. But if you were just given numbers, we understand we've been doing that for basically our entire schooling career. Right, multiplying integers together. But now when we start bringing in variables, we have to utilize the SNV rule, so it's a bit more systematic. Okay, so now the way we're going to discuss factorization. See, the way we discussed every other section was by breaking it down, so giving you the overview, then building up each topic. Now what we are going to do, I'm going to build up each topic and then break it down. I find this to be a bit more of a creative approach when teaching factorization, just because of the connections between topics. So once we're able to understand each topic, then we can start linking them and understanding how everything fits in the grand scheme of things. So let's have a look at what we can start with. So let's start off with products. Alright, so leave some space. Call it the overview because that'll be the overview. But let's first start explaining each of these topics, and then we can create a proper overview of exactly what we discussed. It's just a bit more of a creative approach for us to discuss. So write down the heading, products and factorization.